my name is Farin. I am speaking from Novofalam, Ahmedabad. Today I have made a earthquake robot. I have three types of building. Building A, Building B, Building C. Building A is smaller and do not have a stronger part. Building B is taller and have a stronger part. Base. Building C is longer and do not have a base. This robot helps us to know on how much speed these three buildings will fall. The parts I have used are smarter motor, plates and many more parts. I will show you a demo on which this programming will tell me on how much speed these three buildings will fall. Building A. This building A has been fall on number 8. Now we will test building B. This building B has been fall on 7. Now we will test building C. Building C has been fall on number 3. The building A has been fall on 8 because it is smaller and has no stronger base. Building B have a stronger base and it is fall on 7. Building C have been fall on 3. It does not have a base. Thank you.